Okay, to do the SSPI for this example where the quota is 18 and the players have votes 16, 8, 4, 1 respectively. So I have taken a copy from the packet of all the 4-player sequential coalitions, and I'm just going to identify the pivotal player in each. Okay, so P1, P2, P3, P4. I'm going to work from left to right, and I'm going to add the votes that each player has until I meet or exceed 18 votes. So player 1 is 16, player 2 has 8, and 16 and 8, we've gone over 18, so player 2 is pivotal. And then same in the second, and then player 1, player 3, so I have 16 and then 4, and that puts me over 18. Player 1, player 3, again, that's 16 and 4, which puts me surpassing the 18 vote quota. Player 1, player 4, so this is 16, and then player 4 is 1. So 16 and 1 is only 17. I have not yet hit the quota, so I have to go to player 2, which has 8, and now I've exceeded the 18 votes. So player 2 is pivotal here. Player 1, player 4, player 3, player 2. So player 1 is 16, player 4 is 1. So that's only 17 votes. I have to go to player 3. 4 more votes will put me over the 18. Okay, player 2, player 1, so that is 8 and then 16. I've exceeded 18. And same thing here. Player 2, player 3, so that's 8 and then 4, which is only 12. Not enough, so I go to player 1, which adds another 16, which puts me well over the 18. Player 2, player 3, player 4. So player 2 is 8. Then add player 3, which is 4, which makes 12. Add player 4's 1 vote, which is only 13. I have to go all the way to player 1 to get to 18 votes. Player 2, player 4, player 1, player 3. Okay, so player 2 has 8 votes. Player 4 has 1 vote. So this is 8 and 1 is 9. Plus player 1, 16 will put me over the 18 quota. Player 2, player 4, so that is 8 and 1 is 9. Plus player 3, that's another 4, makes 13. I have to go all the way to player 1 to get the 18 votes. Player 3, player 1, player 2, player 4. So player 3 has 4 votes, player 1 has 16, so that puts me over 18. Same here. And then 3, 2, 1. 3 and 2 is going to be my 4 and my 8, which is not quite enough, so I have to go to player 1. 3 and 2, that is 4 and 8, which is 12, plus 1 vote from player 4 is 13. I have to go all the way to player 1. Player 3 and player 4, so that is 4 votes and 1 vote, which makes 5 votes. And then when I add player 1, 16, I've surpassed the 18. Player 3, player 4, player 2, player 1. So player 3 has 4 votes. Player 4 has 1 vote, so I'm at 5. Player 2 has 8 votes, so now I'm at 13, which is still not enough. I have to go all the way to player 1 to get my 18 votes. Okay, in the last column, player 4, player 1, player 2, player 3. So player 4 has 1 vote. Player 1 has 16 votes, which is not enough. I don't have 18 yet. So I have to go to player 2. Those 8 votes will put me over the top. Player 4 has 1 vote, and player 1 has 16 votes. That only makes 17, so I have to go to player 3 to get another vote. Player 4 is 1 vote. Player 2 is 8 votes, so that's 9 votes. When I add player 1's 16 votes, I'll be over 18. Player 4 is 1, player 2 is 8, so that's 9. If I add player 3, 9 and 4 is 13. I have to go all the way to player 1 to get to 18. Player 4 is 1, player 3 is 4, so that makes 5 votes, plus player 1's 16 puts me over the 18. Player 4 has 1, player 3 has 4, so that's 5. Plus player 2's 8 makes 13. I have to go all the way to player 1 to get my 18. Okay, so then I calculate my fractions. So player 1, how many times are they pivotal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. out of 24. Okay, and then player 2 out of 24 total pivotal players. How many times is player 2 pivotal? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, player 3, we'll count those up. 1, 2, 3. Those are all ones. These are all ones. 4. 4 times for player 3. And then player 4. Is never pivotal, 0 times. So 16 out of 24, if we reduce that, we would get 8 out of 12, or 2 out of 3. And 4 out of 24, that's 1 out of 6. 4 out of 24, 1 out of 6, and 0 out of 24 is 0.